Hi guys, I just wanted to send you a quick heads up. So the first thing is if you submitted the last two assignments on drop in the Dropbox of D2L, you have comments that have been uploaded. You have both written comments and you have my audio comments. So please check those out. The other thing that there are a couple of other things that I want to talk to you about. The one is the use of citations. A good rule of thumb is that if you're using more than one quote per page from a source, then that's probably getting a little excessive. If you're using sources from a couple of different texts, that's okay. But you really want to narrow that down. The other thing is you really need to make sure that you're not using more than one or two sentences each time you quote. And after you take the quotations out, you really need to analyze it. The worst thing that you can do is to actually just take a quote and put it in your paper. In a similar line of thought, you need to work on using signal phrases. So, and when I say signal phrases, I mean something along the lines of the author says, the author states, but making it really clear and making it grammatically correct. The other thing, and we talked about this in class, but I still think that this is important, and I just want to reiterate this, is really coming in and focusing on those main ideas. So thinking about how can you revise your thesis so it's really clear? How can you make sure that each of your body paragraphs has a clear and relevant topic sentence? And one way to think about how to deepen your analysis is through the question, why is this topic unique? Why is this topic interesting? Why is this topic important? And it doesn't need to be all three, but it needs to be at least one of those. And you need to be kind of like coming back to that point. Okay, so other than that, just a couple of things. So, like, comments are in the Dropbox. Pay attention to the sources that you are talking about. Focus on main ideas. I'm having some issues when people are sending me files outside of the D2L Dropbox. A lot of formatting issues. So this week, really, you need to focus in. You need to make sure that those files are in Dropbox. Especially because I'm also, there's some formatting things that are going on, and then I'm spending a lot of time just kind of searching for your work instead of it being very nice and convenient for me. Okay, so that feels like a lot of information. I hope you are having a good weekend. I hope you are having a productive weekend. Sometimes the two are exclusive, but hopefully not. And Sebastian would like to say that in addition to your work, you should be getting some rest. Okay. Bye, guys.